Want to uninstall 360 Total Security on Windows 11? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is click on the search bar, and now you want to search for Add or Remove Programs. Here, a list of all the apps installed on your PC will be shown. Simply find 360 Total Security from here. You can also use the search bar to search for that. Now click on the three dots next to it, then click on the uninstall option. Now click on uninstall again. Here select next. Now select a reason for uninstalling 360. Then click uninstall and then click on uninstall again. Now click next. Here click yes. As you can see, 360 is now being uninstalled. It might take some time, so you want to wait. Finally, you want to tap on the finish option over here. After that is done, this app will be successfully uninstalled from your laptop or PC. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.